Hi friends, this video shows how to update Apple TV app. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to Media tab. Select Media tab from top left corner. Go to App Library. Under App Library, we can see all apps installed in this PS5. From this list, select Apple TV. Then press Options button on controller. See, this is the Options button. Press this button. Here we can see the options. Here we have to select Check for update. Now it's checking for update. See, it says the game or app you have installed is the latest version. If there is an update, it would show that update here. From here, we would be able to install that update. So this way we can update Apple TV app. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.